Every home should have a good toolkit in case disaster strikes. But if you want to venture into woodwork, there are certain basic tools that you must own. These not only include the essential tools required by any beginner, but also those tools reserved just for professionals. With advancements in the world of woodworking, there are power tools and electric instruments that are increasingly taking over from the classic hand tools. But despite these advancements, some of the more basic tools have remained just as vital for even the smallest and simplest of woodworking projects. Amongst those treasured fundamentals and more recent additions, here are the top 8 essential woodworking tools that every worker needs in his or her workshop or to your home that you must have. Hello, and welcome to part 7 of this awesome and interesting series of the best woodworking tools and accessories that you must have on Amazon. The links to all woodworking tools and accessories that we have listed in this video are in the description below. Make sure to watch the video till the end because we have saved the most interesting tools at the end of the video. But before we get started, don't forget to support this channel by pressing the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified about the next best woodworking tools, accessories, and more. First on the line, and that you must have in your woodworking project, is the SUIZAN's pull saw. It is made of Japanese steel with teeth for cross-cut and rip-cut on either side of the blade. This best-selling blade has a length of 24 inches and is perfect for making fine cuts on wood. With a thickness of sharp 0.2 inches, you can achieve the narrowest of the kerfs. You can also reuse the handle and change the blades conveniently once they're worn by simply removing the old blade. Reigning with its great design and steel quality, this Ryoba saw has sharp edges on both sides of the blade. You can get this from Amazon for around $40. Next is this 5 inches digital angle finder that features an easy-to-use, large display and ruler blades made out of durable stainless steel. This General Tools digital angle finder is an excellent measuring tool to get your inside, outside, and reverse angles accurately with a full 360-degree range and extreme accuracy. This digital ruler comes equipped with an innovative center check notch that helps you get the exact ruler placement markings. This tool is great for reaching those tight spots, while the lock feature aids the user in saving time and improving the accuracy of measurement. You can efficiently work on custom furniture buildings, framing, and flooring. Get it now from Amazon for about $20. If you're looking for a mini version of a digital angle finder, you can try the GemRed. This GemRed digital angle finder is designed for perfection and precision. It lets you measure with excellent accuracy and resolution. The display shows the measurement only in degrees, which is super convenient in construction, woodworking, machinery, automobile, and telecommunications. This digital angle finder comes pre-calibrated and has a large LCD display to make it easier for the user to read and note down measurements. It has a hidden magnetic bottom that helps to avoid the influence of absorbed metal dust and ensures reliable readings on metal surfaces. The angle finder is also smart enough to show an error message if it is placed in an incorrect position. You can also get this from Amazon for about $20. Next on our list is this top-rated Bora Portamate wood organizer lumber rack. The coolest thing about this is the wall-mounted design for storing wood and keeping lumber off the floor and away from potential water damage. Not to mention, it also saves floor space. This wall-mounted, 6-level wood rack can hold up to 100 pounds per level for 600 pounds capacity of wood or other shop materials. The Bora Portamate lumber rack has been quite popular over the years, and you can use it to store other types of things as well, such as hockey sticks and snowboards. You can loop straps over the bottom rails, such as golf bags. Plus, it is an excellent quality product for it is easy to assemble, easy to load and unload. Also, it is a lumber rack you mount to the wall. So, what are you waiting for? Get yours now for $49 from Amazon. Do you know what is more important than this product? Clicking on the like button and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Moving on, this is the top choice among the digital calipers on the list. Made by NEIKO, this option comes in 3 styles and sizes, with the largest size being 12 inches. Since most electronic calipers come in around 6 inches, that's a good option to have for working with larger items. It also features a button to quickly change between modes, inch, fraction, and millimeter, making conversion easy. For its durable stainless steel construction, precision, and great feel, this digital caliper is our best overall pick for amateurs and professionals alike. You can get this for about $30 from Amazon. This next tool is a must-have and perfect for woodworkers and carpenters alike. The Clarke Brothers marking gauge is a high-end option, featuring a roll-top fence with a flat top. This product allows for smooth movement when marking your project. This tool has a laser engraved with graduated marks, so you can easily measure the distance between 2 points. Both metric and imperial versions are available up to 6 inches or 150 millimeters, and the extra hardened steel wheel cutters ensure accuracy even when working with delicate materials. The 8-inch long graduated bar is made of solid brass, steel, and aluminum alloy for added strength and rust resistance. This fast, highly accurate, and easy-to-use marking gauge has earned the top spot on the list, so you'll be able to get your work done quickly. So, what are you waiting for? Get this now from Amazon for around $20. Next, the AUGSUN'S wood carving knife set is one of the most budget-friendly wood carving sets on the market right now. The wood carving set comes with 20 different types of knives, chisels, and gouges that are made from high-quality carbon steel. The knives also have an exceptionally good build quality and are championed for their ergonomically designed wooden handles. The knives in the set are adequately sharpened and come with a safety cap. With 12 carving knives, 1 whetstone, 1 storage case, 1 carpenter pencil, 1 wooden ruler, 2 sandpapers, and 2 white cloths, it's a great choice for someone on a budget or looking to take up wood carving. You can have these from Amazon for around $10. And for our top must-have for today, and first on our list that you must add on your tools is from Dremel. Dremel has been a whirlwind recently, releasing several new models and updated old ones. Most recently, the new and improved 8240 high-speed 12 volts cordless Rotary tool. The 8240 slots nearly perfectly between the flagship 8260 and entry-level 7350 in Dremel's product portfolio. It gives up the former's smart technology and brushless motor, but is much more powerful than the latter. 12 volts versus 4 volts. Out of the box, you have everything you need to get started on some projects. In addition to the tool, battery, and charger, there's also a reinforced cutoff wheel and several sanding attachments and mandrels, plus a convenient carrying case. The 8240 isn't loud per se, but it's not a particularly pleasant-sounding tool. Besides the noise, the ergonomics are all around good, and the tool appears to be well made, as you would expect from Dremel. In fact, that pretty much sums up my experience with the Dremel 8240. A solid all-around option that isn't outstanding in one particular area, but will do everything you asked of it. And there's nothing wrong with that. You can get this from Amazon for around $100. As a thank you for being a devoted viewer and subscriber, I would like to give you a gift of several woodworking plans. Simply click on the link at the description below and enter your email to receive and download the plans. If you missed any video episodes of our series, click on the playlist videos on the left side of the screen to enjoy watching the rest. If you like our content so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.